Alright guys, are you ready? We're going to be replacing, I have a T40 here. I put some extensions on it, but it might be actually a little bit too big for extension, even though I could work with it. So let's see if without an extension it works a little better. Yeah, much better. So gonna take these down. Guys, in place of these seats here, I'll be actually switching over to this van. I like the two double doors, and I bought a couple seats a while back from a 2007 Sprinter, and those seats are pretty interesting. They're basically newer style. What I want to do is I want to actually make them fit. So so this 2006 is going to have 2007 seats, which they look a little different. They're black, and they're just a little different style. My kids, they like to help me, but his little head is getting in my way. Okay, so we're gonna slide it forward. Bend it in. So now we have 4 more here. So we're gonna go ahead and take them down. Alright. So that's out. I like to put in a cup holder. Wow, this one's completely out. Interesting. It was just sort of down there. It's weird. Yeah, this has a missing washer, so obviously somebody removed the seat before. Alright, so that's out. Okay. So here is one of the wires. We'll have to unplug it. So that's as simple as that. Then good, this seat does not have the computer mount into it. It's actually mounted over there. So that makes sense. I guess when I was trying to remove the transmission module from underneath the seat, it felt like I was removing from top of the seat, when in reality this piece is missing, so it looked like I was actually removing it from the seat. So there's a nice rubber piece. I'll need it. Here's another one. It's like a little cover. So now guys, we'll need to remove this little piece here. Guys, here we go. So we already have the seat disconnected. As you can see, the wiring, I already have moved it a couple times. So you just need to have some kind of tiny screwdriver to pry this little thing out, and that's it right there. You'll need a number 17 millimeter type of wrench. Go ahead and put it on that bolt, and if it hasn't been moved in a while, it might be a little bit stuck. This is a lot harder than I expected. Okay, so now it's broken. So best, I guess, once you already have the seat undone, just to go in that direction. So just pull it out. And I'm not gonna bore you guys with the installation. I want to keep this video as short as possible, just in case somebody did not change the seat before, or you're trying to change it or something. This is just a straightforward type of installation. If you guys do need more help, just let me know. I'll try to help you out. But this is pretty straightforward. So the seat is already out, so all we have to do is just pull on the seat and pull it out. So here we go. We'll just set the seat down. My other one actually is already out of that van. This is where I'm going to be installing it, but here we go. And then we just have this little area here. We have the transmission module underneath. There's no reason for us to mess with any more of this stuff, and the wire that was for this type of situation just fell inside. I don't like to plug in my wires for the seat, you know, where it's beeping when you don't have it on, just in case you're backing in or out. So anyways, yeah, this one was sitting, I pretty much kind of like bought it the way it is and put some stuff in there. So I'm gonna finish it with this. And what I want to do here, guys, and this is for a future type of video, I will be installing another seat in here, which is going to be 2007 type of seat, and it's going to need to be a little different installation than the original, because the track is actually a little bit wider. So there's a couple ways of doing it. One of the ways where you could, you know, take like some 2x4s, and you could probably put them like 2 of them to the sides like that, and they're obviously going to be sticking out just a little bit, and just use that for your screw holes. So there's that way of doing it, or you could just run the 2x4s this way, just have it stick out a little bit, just enough for the bolts. I guess that's up to you. I'm probably gonna go ahead and, you know, to where it's gonna go on the seat really nice, I'm probably gonna do it like that. And what I'll do is I'll actually wrap that 2x4 in some kind of carpet to make it look like it's actually part of the seat. I'll probably use some kind of like gray or black type of carpet. That was just gonna look like one piece. Put it in there, and you know, that's it. Or you could paint the wood, whichever way, you know, it's best for you. So I'm probably gonna do it like that, because I'll actually be removing this and everything else is in there, and I'll be installing these type of seats in the back. That way I could just open up the sliding door and, you know, have kids in the back. And we'll be installing a window in here as well. I think that's gonna be pretty interesting. One of you guys actually really smart and just gave me like an ingenious type of idea, and I'm not kidding you. In one of my videos previously, I have asked, how can I install this window here? If somebody knows, you know, leave it in the comments below. I'm going to be taking a window from that one Sprinter over there, if you could see it. Okay, it's my parts van, so I want to install that window here. So I'm going to be cutting it around over here. I'm going to cut it around, remove this metal piece, and then I'm going to have this area to install it in. And that window has a rubber seal, and one of the guys said, hey, all you need to do is have a string that's the size of the ones used for blinds. I guess put it around the molding piece, maybe, you know, lubricate it or something, put it in there, and have somebody hold the glass on the other side, and you just pull the string and it's going to install itself. So seems like a very interesting idea. So anyways, guys, this is it. The seats is out. So thanks for watching. Please like my video if you liked it, so other people could see it. You know, I know this is very simple, but I have a lot of Sprinter stuff, and I'm only going to continue having more and more stuff. So you know, thank you for watching, guys, and please comment on my videos. I read all your comments, and I will answer all of them as soon as I get them. So take care, guys. God bless you. Bye bye.